Rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Dapat tayo'y maging masaya. Bawal ang sad. Dapat happy. Look at lang po. At po. Ilan hapo ito? Kamangga ko. Ganito lang po ako ni Ifrat. Ayan. Tayo. May Christmas tree. Ito po ang mga ginigilaw. Ayun!
Magandang umaga, beautiful Riza.
Magandang umaga! You speak Tagalog?
Little
Konti
bit.
lang?
Little bit.
Konti lang. Ako speak English. Konti lang.
Lots of English.
What's your name?
My name is Hansel.
Han. Kuya Han. Han.
Kuya
I like
Hansen.
your name.
Thank you. I like your name.
Beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Hans. Can I call you Kuya Hans?
Yes, you can.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vancouver, Canada.
Oh, Canada again?
Yep.
Ang daming taga-Canada. Hindi sila nagpupunta dito. Lagi sila nagpupunta dito. Puro English. So, why are you here? Vacation?
Yes, vacation.
Where do you vacation? Where?
Here, in the Philippines.
Say,
Hmm?
Manila?
Yes,
Quezon
Manila.
City? Region 1? Region 2? Region 3? Region 4? Region 5? Where do you
Pasig,
stay?
Pasig, Manila, the fort.
Pasig. That's NCR.
Yeah. Okay, yes.
You have a wife?
Yes, I do.
Ano po?
Yes, I have a wife.
You have a wife. Where's your wife?
Over there.
Is she Filipina?
Yes, she's Filipina.
Oh! I'd like to talk to your wife.
Thank you.
Hey, wife! Come over! Come here! Ayan, may marunong mag-Tagalog. Oh, your wife is pretty.
Thank you.
Hi! Hi, I'm Riza. What's your name?
Chelsea. Chelsea.
Chelsea, are you Filipina? You know Tagalog?
I can understand Tagalog. I can't really speak it.
Oh my God. Dalawa pa to. Kanina isa lang. Ngayon dalawa. I thought you can speak Tagalog. That's why I called you.
Oh, sorry. Konti lang.
Konti lang? Matagal na kayo mag-asawa po?
Hindi. 7 months lang.
Bago pa.
Yeah. This is our
Hindi
honeymoon.
po kayo nag-aaway?
No.
Talaga po, hindi kayo nag-aaway? Ang gwapo po ng asawa niyo.
Thank you.
Matagal na po kayo sa Canada?
Opo.
You stay there very long?
Yeah, I was born there.
Wala na ako masabi. Dali no. Where is Canada?
Vancouver.
Vancouver.
Vancouver. We are from So, where are you living? When are you?
December 4.
No Christmas here?
No.
No, Christmas.
Why not? It's funny in the Philippines. It's fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines. Okay. Pagod na po ako. Ubus na po eh. Nasulin na oh. Baka magkadugo yung ilong ko. Kuya Hans and Ate Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Ate Chelsea. Let's play. Picture o tanong.
Alright.
What do you want? Picture o tanong?
Question.
Oh, question. question. In Tagalog, tanong.
Uh-oh.
Are you sure? You can change your mind.
Sure? Yeah, sure.
What?
Question.
Change your mind or not?
No. Question.
Okay. I want you. Okay, choose.
Pick.
One, not two. You're so pretty, Ate Chelsea.
Oh.
Same hair. Ganyan po yung gusto kong buhok eh. Papahabain ko nga. Sabi po ng mama ko, pag magastos sa shampoo. Eto na po. Here's your question. Okay. What? Anong hayop ako? Ano ba to? Hindi naman ako hayop. So, listen. I will act. And then you guess. What animals am I? Okay, look ha. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Monkey?
Yeah.
Mukha ko ba akong monkey? Do I look like a
No.
monkey? And I'm a cute monkey.
Yes. Very cute.
Mga double cards. Monkey po ba ako? Monkey po ba ako? Cute na monkey. Dahil po dyan, may premyo po kayo. Si Kuya Hansel. Yes! This is your prize. You win 1,000 pesos.